If you want to control how X shares your data with business partners, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact settings you need to find, what the option actually does, and how to turn it on or off depending on your privacy preference. This is a quick but important setting for anyone who wants more control over personalization, advertising, and third-party data sharing on X. And if this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your X account. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click More. This opens up the full menu where the deeper account settings are located. From there, click Settings and Privacy. That's the main hub for everything related to your account, security, privacy, and personalization. Inside Settings and Privacy, the next section you want is Privacy and Safety. Go ahead and click that. This is where X keeps most of the controls related to what information is shared, how your account is personalized, and what data is used to improve your experience across the platform. Now, under Privacy and Safety, find and click Data Sharing and Personalization. This section includes several options related to recommendations, ads, and how X uses your information. If you've ever wanted to fine-tune what's being shared behind the scenes, this is the place to do it. Next, click Data Sharing with Business Partners. This is the specific setting we're looking for. Once you open it, you'll see an option labeled Allow Additional Information Sharing with Business Partners. This is a setting that controls whether X can share extra information with its business partners for things like analytics, advertising, and content personalization. If you want to allow this type of sharing, check the box. If you want to disable it and increase your privacy, uncheck the box. The change is saved automatically, so you do not need to press a separate save button. That makes it very easy to turn on or off whenever you want. After changing the setting, take a second to review it and make sure it matches your preference. If you're trying to reduce personalized advertising or limit third-party data sharing, leaving it disabled is usually the better option. If you prefer more tailored recommendations and ad personalization, you can keep it enabled. Just remember, disabling this setting does not remove ads entirely. You may still see advertisements on X, but they may be less personalized. So this setting is really about controlling how much of your information is shared, not turning off ads completely. That's really all there is to it. A few clicks, and you've now adjusted how X shares your data with business partners. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to manage your privacy more carefully. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.